What's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan Zoom Comforts in the Lemon Twist colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking today about the Air Jordan Zoom Comforts in the Lemon Twist colorway. This is a really cool, fun pop of color that I think is going to go amazing in the fall, since if you've been following the fashion trends, it seems like bold colors are one of the statement pieces for this hot season as far as looks go. And then we're going to talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I styled these. Again, fun playing with some bold colors, and then we're going to conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it and get into this overview. One of the parts I love about this shoe so much is how it has some subtle hues of that pop of yellow-ish green going on throughout, but it does have that base color of nice neutral tans. So starting with the front of the toe box, we've got canvas in that kind of bone color scheme. On the front, we have a nice kind of fossil tone for that suede on the front. Working our way up, the laces are really cool. I think they really just pop off of that kind of beige nylon. These are just, again, some nice color schemes that I think match this suede hue quite nicely in that fossil color scheme, but we've got some stitched X's in that lemon twist color scheme. Working our way up to the tongue, half of it is actually in that nice suede material, while half is nylon, which is cool how they transition those materials. And then we've got accents again of that lemon twist that really pop off of that fossil color scheme. Then we've got that exposed tongue at the top, which we're used to seeing on the Zoom Comfort. So let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we've got more of that suede, which works its way to the back of the heel, and then more pops of that lemon twist color scheme in the canvas material on the swoosh mark, which wraps around with the same detailing on the other side of the sneaker. And we have a debossed Nike Jordan Wings logo here, and it kind of has a little nice matte color scheme to it in that fossil colorway, which is very subtle, but you can still see it as it kind of hits the light. As you look on the inside of the collar, we have more exposed foam there in the white color scheme. On the insole, we have a nice, just simple tan colorway, and the shoe is then completed with a white midsole and a pop of lemon twist for the outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. right, so let's move on to size and fit. So this is in women's sizing. I am a women's size 9, and I would say definitely stick true to size. Again, I do have high arch, narrow feet, which could decipher a different fit for you depending on what type of foot you have. So if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate something that works best for you. All right, let's jump into the styling section. So much fun styling this. Really wanted to bring some pops of color into this look just because I think this lemon twist colorway is insanely cool and different. And I really just love the vibe that it has off of those fossil color schemes and tan color schemes. So for the first look, I decided to wear this really just bright pop of color with this green zip up and matching green shorts. I layered that with this pop of kind of a volt blazer, which I think really matches this lemon twist to a T. I think that definitely for this upcoming fall season, you're going to start to see a lot more bold color statements that are mixing into other people's wardrobes. And this is a great shoe to add to that kind of mixture. Look, I wanted to stay a little more monochromatic to make the shoe the statement piece. This time I wore a ribbed turtleneck that was sleeveless. I layered that with a nice puffer vest in a caramel colorway. And then I had a matching pair of bell-bottom ribbed pants that matched that top. I think that that cream color scheme just really vibed with the colorway of this shoe. And I think it just created a backdrop so that this was the statement piece. For the last and final look, very casual, wanted to match it with some denim. I think denim obviously is going to go great with these sneakers. Some nice just basic blue jeans, and I wore a nice brown belt. And on the top layer, I wore a button-down sweater in a cream and kind of caramel brown color scheme. Definitely think patterns also work quite nicely with this, so I wanted to kind of bring some patterns in the mix of that last look. You let me know out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite out of the 3, or how would you style these shoes? Now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. These retailed at $140, and currently on the lower price point range, they're going from $140 to around $180, depending what size and fit you may be. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below, as well as hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our amazing merch store. And that's all for this episode. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all on the next one.